Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube video at Jimbo's Craft Store. My name is James and today we are going to make just a normal bracelet, and we use two bead colours, and I'm going for green and there's a shiny colour. Now these beads I got from an old bracelet where I've taken the beads off the bracelet to make a new bracelet. So I'm recycling, and these beads I got from a charity shop because they're nice and sparkly, and I thought, oh, I can do something with them. And in my previous video I taught you guys how to make this one and then attach it to bracelet strap, and then the other previous one that's just that I've just done before was how to make your handmade charms and then attach it to the strap. So this one is slightly different. This one I'm going to teach you how to make a bracelet with no attachments. You just slip it on and then you go. You're ready to go. So let's start making. So what you will need is you'll need elastic, special elastic for bracelet making. And I got these from Amazon, so I will paste in the link where I got them from. And you will need a snipping tool. Now you can buy these from anywhere because you normally use these for snipping on elastic when you're doing sewing. So I will try and find some from Amazon or Shein or something like that, and I will put in the link for you so that you can have a go. And also you'll need one of these or something to stop the beads from coming off. Let's see if one of these. This is really handy. I got this from Amazon. I will post the link on this YouTube video. This stops the beads from coming off the elastic. What you do is you get your little bead stopper, and then you put the elastic in the bead stopper so that it stops your beads from falling off. You get a colour. I'm going for green, and you thread it through. This is normally quite a lot of people already know how to do this, but I just thought maybe it might be nice for people who have kids or people who are starting off making jewellery, who would be able to know how to do, who would want to be taught how to do this. So yeah, there we go. And what I do is I do different colours. Sometimes I have 3 colours, but I'm doing 2 colours. So I've got like a green and I've got a shiny purple, purpley sort of like silvery purple, which kind of looks like this, and it will look really nice. So you can make one for kids size, you can make one for adult size. I'm going to make one for adults. You just keep going in a nice pattern, green and silvery purple, green, silvery purple. Just keep going so that you've got a nice pattern. And that's the fun thing about making bracelets. If it doesn't work out well, you just start again. And it means then that way you don't have to worry about making mistakes. Then you have to see if it fits your wrist. So it fits my wrist, I think. Fits my wrist perfectly. And then what you do is you tie it up, and then you do another knot. And then what you do is you get these little snippers, and the ends like that. And there you go. You got a bracelet you can put on, slip on, and go. My wrist is a little bit big. Well, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like this video, please put a like on it and put in the comments if it was easy to make or if it was hard to make, and if you liked the colours, put a like on or write a comment to see if you like the colours. And good luck in making your bracelet. If you like my channel, please subscribe because I do make other videos than just bracelets. I'm planning to do other things. Thank you for watching.